So instead of actually saying, say that again, you just go, huh? And they get it. That's TPR. In a nutshell for you. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Teacher Catherine today. Today is all about what is TPR? What is it? What? Because when I first started with VIP Kid, I was like, what the heck is TPR? If you're just now applying or getting into the ESL teaching online scene, let me tell you what TPR is. It's actually very simple. It stands for Total Physical Response. And all that means is it's the actions you do when explaining something. So it just helps the people who don't know English connect words with actions, like saying hello. What? Very simple. They're just very simple actions to connect to words. You know, like tiger. I do that one for bear all the time, or rah. So, because they're gonna, instead of me just going bear, I'll be like, oh. You're probably gonna scare your child. But if you go bear, which this just means like you want them to say it, so bear, repeat, you're listening for them. So bear, I want you to say bear, or watch me say bear. Bear, bear, good. Bear, and they'll go bear, and they think it's fun, and then they'll remember bear. You want them to do those actions because it's going to help them remember the word better. It's going to help them remember the action better. Like bear. They're not going to forget bear. Or cat. Meow. Cat. Or bunny. You get it. You get it. It's not like ASL, you know, American Sign Language, which I took a class on that. Pretty fun stuff. This is bacon. For all those who are wondering, spaghetti. Okay, but that's not what we're learning. You don't need that for TPR. TPR, it's kind of subjective. There's no set out, you know, this means this is, you know, it's not none of that. It's really whatever actions make sense with the words that you're saying. And it helps to avoid like any incidental language. And by that, I mean like if you're teaching a 5-year-old who probably doesn't know much English, you're not gonna say, okay, Johnny, repeat this word. They're gonna be like,
wow. Repeat what? I'm sorry? Excuse me? Who are you?
But if you go, bear, they understand. Bear, they want me to say bear. She's waiting for me to say bear. Bear, bear, bear. And then you can add in a prop if they don't get it. So they're like, bear. Hello. Just to show how powerful TPR is, I'm gonna speak French. And if you know French, good for you. Don't come for me, my accent, okay? I never got the French accent, the nasally thing. It's very important in French and I hate doing it, so I never did. So I was told it sounds like a Spanish accent. Like literally my teacher was like, your Spanish accent's coming out. I was like, I don't know Spanish, I just know English. She goes, oh. Work on that. I never did. We quit. Just kidding. Don't come for my French accent. I'm doing my best, all right? It's been some years. I'm gonna do an example without TPR. So let's see if you know what I'm saying. So, bonjour. Je m'appelle Catherine. Comment tu t'appelles? Did you know what I said? Also, they say Catherine really pretty. Like instead of Catherine, they say Catherine. So pretty. So anyway, we're going the French accent there. But did you understand what I said? If you know French, probably. If you don't, you probably just got bonjour. So, let me add some TPR, spice it up. Maybe you'll understand it better. Bonjour! Je m'appelle Catherine. Comment tu t'appelles? Sam! Bonjour, Sam! Yay! See? Did you get it? Did you get it? Do you know French now? I don't know if my French was correct, but we all got what we were saying. We said, hello, my name is Catherine. What is your name? Sam. Hi, Sam. See, this is the handshake, like, you know? So, TPR is everywhere. TPR is fun. Don't overthink it. It's just whatever comes natural. Like whenever I talk to my students, I say, what is your name? They say, L, Lewis. Like, oh yay. Then I'll go, how old are you? 6. 6? Wow. So it's really whatever's natural, whatever comes next. So yes, I hope that answers your question on what TPR is. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop a comment, email me. Let's just chat, let's hang out, let's talk. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye, or au revoir, toodaloo, peace, peace, peace up, A-Town. Okay, bye. Is this shirt ugly? Like I literally can't decide if this is ugly or not. I've had this shirt for like a year and like, I mean, it's okay. Like, is this ugly? And then I tried to put a turtle necklace and like, I don't know what, this necklace and neck combo aged me like 40 years. So we're just gonna put him in there for good luck. So now you get it. Total cool? Okay. Okay. It's this shirt. It's really throwing me off. Okay. What the heck is TPR? Hair in my mouth. See, I know some French. I don't know a ton of French. Well, I did at one point know a lot of French, and by a lot, I mean I could like have a really good conversation about some fruits at a farmer market with a kindergartner. That was the level that we were on. Do I hate or love this sweater? I don't know.